In this video, I'll show you how to create and customize an invoice in QuickBooks Online. First, create the invoice. Intuit says you can start by clicking plus create, then invoice, or by going to sales, then invoices, and choosing new invoice. From there, select your customer, check the invoice date, due date, and terms, then add your products or services, quantity, rate, and any other details you need. Now let's customize it. While you're on the invoice screen, Intuit says you can open Manage and use the customization options for design, scheduling, and payment settings. This is where you can turn on things like reminders, recurring invoices, and online payment methods if they're available in your account. If you want to change the overall invoice template, go to Settings, then Custom Form Styles. Intuit says you can edit an existing template or create a new one, then update the design, colors, logo, layout, and other form details. You can even upload a logo from the Design tab to make the invoice match your brand. Once everything looks right, save the invoice or review and send it to your customer. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.